Hello everybody, so in front of me I have Motorola Moto G62 5G, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can set up the parental control option for this device. Alrighty, so first of all you gotta launch settings, not the Moto settings, then enter the Google category over here. After that, make sure to remove any accounts that you have linked to your system, which you can do by going for the manage accounts on this device option, and just open the account, go for the remove account option, repeat it until you'll have no associated Google accounts left. After that, let me just re-enter. Yep, as you can see, currently no Google accounts are added into the system, not any of them are associated or linked to our phone. So from here you can start setting up this feature by adding or signing in your child's account. It is also worth mentioning that as long as the children or child knows the password for this account, they can easily turn off the parental control. So make sure to hide the password from them, conceal the password from them. So I'll enter the credentials starting from email of the child's account. Then I'll quickly enter the password of the screen real quick. Now I'll tap on I agree option, accept. After that, scroll the page down for a little bit after the account has been successfully added. Open the parental control section, tap on the get started button, then choose the child or teenager option over here. Click on next. Now we'll wait. Choose the account that we have recently logged into. Then enter the credentials for the parent's account or supervisor's accounts, the account that you will use to supervise this child, which I will do off the screen real quick. Alrighty. After that, you can read the supervision instructions, what you can do, what restrictions you can enforce, what you can block, and etc. Scroll the page down, confirm the linking procedure by entering the child's account password once again. Then click on blue agree button and go for the allow supervision option. Now we'll wait until the accounts will get finally linked. The child supervisor or child parent link will establish. Then we'll click on next. In here you can prematurely manage the apps that you would like to block or respectively allow your child to use. Then you can also enforce the filters and settings. After that, we can download the Family Link application from Google on our parental device, that in my case is just a Poco smartphone. So you can either do it manually, skip and do it manually and download it from the Play Store, or simply click on the Install Family Link button over here. As you can see, the installation has been started automatically. Now once the app is installed, we can launch it. I'll also click on next. In here, skip all this, read it if you would like to get to know the Family Link application better. Now we can click on get started, choose the hardy or the child from the list. And once you scroll the page down, you'll be able to see that you can manage settings for the phone, set up location, track app activity, restrict, block, or otherwise allow the apps over here. So set the limit for the child to use those apps in certain time frames, or no limit, set limit, block, always allow. Just manage your restrictions and settings however you want to. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. That would be it as far as parental or setting up the parental control on this Moto device goes. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.